How to remove an Instagram account from your account list. First thing first, open your Instagram account, and after opening your Instagram account, you will be able to see this kind of interface. What I want you to do is tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, tap on this drop down option, and here you will be able to see the bunch of accounts that you have onto your device. Here you can see I have at least 4. So in order to remove every Instagram account from this account list, what I'm going to do is just tap on this menu bar. After tapping on this menu bar, here I'm going to tap on log out of all accounts. Just tap on this, tap on log out. It may take a few seconds and you will be logged out of each and every account that you have on your device. After that, you will see the list of accounts on your very login page. So what you need to do is just tap on this 3 dot at the top right, and you will be able to see this option called remove profiles from this device. Just tap on this and just tap on remove on one of the profiles. Just let's say I want to remove this account, just tap on remove and confirm your removation, and that account will be removed from your Instagram account from your account list. So therefore, in this way you can remove an Instagram account from your account list. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.